Okay, boys and girls, what we've got now is we've got word search. And there's two versions of word search. There's this one, and on the back, there's a make your own if you like the word challenge. Okay, but first let's do the simple one. Okay, the directions are find each of your spelling words in the word search. The words are hidden vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Vertically is this way, horizontally is this way, and diagonally is this way. Okay, here's your spelling word bank. Once you find the word, then you can put a check mark here. It's your standard word search, so you shouldn't have any problems with it. Okay, on the back, once you've completed this and you want a little challenge, then maybe you can make your own word search here. What you're going to do is you're going to create your own word search. Then you're going to trade word searches with a friend. Okay? Here you're going to put the words in first and then put random letters in here to make it a little bit more difficult. The words have to be spelled correctly for it to work. Good luck.